So a little bit about the workout I just did. It was nothing crazy. It was just really, banded work. A lot of like blood flow, partial reps, really to try to just pump in as much blood. That's why you saw the my push-ups were partials. Also, I just like doing partials. I like the feeling of just squeezing and constantly pumping more blood into the chest. I did some homemade banded reverse seated curl. Again, I really can't load my hamstring as heavy as would be able to if I was going to the gym. So I just pumped, do some partial reps. Sorry, just drank a monster, and now it's getting to me. Yeah, I'm good. So that's why I can't load my hamstring with heavy weights when I do my workout at home. But something that you can do is really just take, like, if you have a band like this, you can do so much. Like, it's not necessary for you to go out and buy expensive equipment. Like, you see my setup right here. I got my, oh, look at him. I got my arm wrestling table with my pulley system. I got a couple of weights. I got a little bit more weights out in the garage. I got I got a like bench and everything, and I got a couple of bands. And the only thing stopping most people is really just the lack of knowledge and the creativity to actually, like, don't be ashamed to try out different things. Yeah, you might look stupid, you might look dumb. First time you do it, you might find something that actually that might not work. But sometimes you actually find some good stuff, and then you just slowly build a routine around that. And like, I used to be a very big on going to the gym, and I wasn't able to do any sort of workout if I didn't have all the equipment. I wouldn't like I didn't like to go to the gym if I didn't have all the equipment. But as I like got older and got more mature, I just found out that, like, true, you just this right here is the only thing that actually stops most people. and your lack of creativity. Like, I believe I can get just as good a workout here in this like simple setup as if I was going to the gym. No, I probably, and also of course it might depend on what your goal is, but you can like definitely do some great things with just a couple of bands and some like couple of plates. Uh, like this exercise, super great for shoulder mobility, shoulder health, shoulder strength, and it also works on your core. So you can do a lot of things. So don't be afraid to look dumb, because nobody really cares. And just like, I can sit right here and talk, and honestly, nobody cares. Like, I can look dumb, I can look stupid, nobody cares, right? So, yeah, I just do this for me, and I do this purely out of the enjoyment of making content and making videos. And yeah, but like, again, life ain't that serious. So just do what you do what you love to do, and do it wholeheartedly. Yeah. So I hope you like this little training montage and me speaking a little bit about what I was going through, what I was thinking while I was doing this workout. Cause I usually don't train with like a training plan. I just go in and I already know what I need to hit throughout the week and how many times. So I just kind of, flow, flow with it, and whatever I feel like doing, that's what I'm kind of what I do, and I've always done it this way. I understand some people might not believe it's a efficient way. I tend to disagree, depending on your system. Like, if of course it might not be an efficient way for you to train if it's not a system that you are comfortable with. If you are very, I don't know what you call it, like meticulously, you have to like pin everything down, write everything down, how many sets and this and that. I just truly believe and that you should kind of be able to feel your body, like how much more can I actually give, how much more should I give. So I mean, I guess it comes down to experience as well, and the system that you are used to. I've been training like this my whole life. I have tried to train more systematically. I just tend to not be able to like keep the routine, because if I don't enjoy going to the gym like every day, if I don't enjoy what I'm doing, I'm not gonna do it. So if I wake up one morning and I can just feel like, okay, I got a crazy connection with my chest, and if you are like have a little bit of experience with fitness in the gym, you can feel like some days you just have a different type of connection with different body parts. So if I wake up, have a crazy like connection with my chest, why should I go train legs? I would rather train chest. Sorry. So, and that's why I have more of a flexible training schedule, and I kind of do whatever I feel like doing. Yeah, so that was just me rambling a little bit and talking a little bit about everything. So I hope everyone has a great day. Or if you just wake up, have a great start to your day. Peace. Stay strong.